Triangle and its property. Triangle you already studied in previous classes. What is a triangle now? What is a triangle you already studied in previous class? Yes, Anushka?
Ma'am, triangle have three sides.
Three sides.
Triangle have three sides. It has three vertices.
Vertices.
Triangle is a three-sided closed figure. The triangle has three medians,
Three altitudes. Okay, sit down. Okay, so what is a triangle? A triangle is a three-sided polygon made up of three line segments, and it has three angles. कितने angles होते हैं? Three angles. Three angles. What are the angles? Angle A, angle B, angle C. Three angles.
Yes.
And three sides. कौन कौन सी साइड होती है?
A, B,
AC लिख लो या CA लिख लो, वन एंड द सेम। हम दूसरी वे से भी लिख सकते हैं, BA भी लिख सकते हैं इसको, हम इसको CB भी लिख सकते हैं, हम इसे CA भी लिख सकते हैं, वन एंड द सेम थिंग। And what are the vertex? It has three vertex. Three vertex means the corner points. What are the corner points? जहाँ पे दो line segment meet हो रही है. This is the vertex. This is the vertex and this is the vertex. So A, B, C. A, B, C are called vertices of a triangle. Clear है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो now let's see the video. Types of triangles.
You must have come across many shapes in your daily life. Look at these objects. Which common shape can you find in all of them? Yes, a triangle. All the pictures that we see have a triangular shape. Every day we see a number of objects that are triangular in shape. But are all the triangles the same? Of course not. Two triangles.
Okay, class. In our day-to-day life, we see a lot of triangular shapes, a lot of triangular pictures, a lot of triangular objects. So all the triangular objects, all the triangular pictures are same? No, ma'am. कोई triangle बड़ा होता है, कोई triangle छोटा होता है, कोई widthwise बड़ा होता है, कोई widthwise small होता है. किसी की side एक side बड़ी होती है, किसी की एक side छोटी होती है. So there are triangles of different types. अब इसमें तीन ट्रायंगल्स देख पा रहे हो?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या ये तीनों सेम है?
No, ma'am.
They are different. So we bifurcate the triangle on the basis of side as well as on the basis of angle. अब हम ट्रायंगल को दो बेसिस पे डिवाइड करते हैं, on the basis of side and on the basis of angle. Now let us study further.
Triangles may not necessarily be the same. Like any other object, there are various types of triangles. The sides may be of different lengths, or they might have different angles. In order to differentiate any two triangles, we name them differently. Look at these two triangles. It is obvious that both the triangles have different dimensions. Let us proceed to learn about these differences in the parameters and their consequent properties.
Okay, now we are going to study about the different types of triangle on the basis of angles and sides.
A triangle is a three-sided closed figure.
I already told.
Three sides, vertices and angles. In the figure, A, B and C are the vertices. AB, BC and CA are known as the sides. The three angles in the figure are angle ABC, angle BCA and angle CAB.
There are three types of angle. There are three angles in a triangle. Angle A, or we can say angle B, A, C. हम एंगल A भी बोल सकते हैं और क्या बोल सकते हैं एंगल A को? एंगल B, A, C. जिस एंगल के बारे में हम बात करते हैं that angle should be in middle. Next हम इसे और क्या बोल सकते हैं एंगल C, A, B. Then next एंगल B को और क्या बोल सकते हैं हम? C, A, B. And angle ABC. Then last आता है हमारा एंगल C. इसमें को क्या बोल सकते हैं? And angle BCA. So we can name it in three different ways and तीनों करेक्ट है. Clear है?
Yes,
Three vertex. What are the vertex here? A, B, C. Three sides A, B, C, and three angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C. So these are the parts of the triangle.
The sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. The sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is more than the third side. The difference of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. Triangles are further divided into 6 types depending on their lengths and angles. Let us know what they are.
Okay, next is properties of triangle. Properties of triangle you already know. In a triangle there are three angles.
Yes.
And all the three angles sum is 180 degrees. Suppose this is a triangle. This is angle A. This is angle B. This is angle C. All three angles sum is 180 degrees. Means angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. And this property is known as angle sum property of a triangle. Clear है सबको?
Yes.
Next property is the sum of two sides will always be greater than the third side. मतलब कि अगर तुम कोई भी दो साइड ले रहे हो ट्राइंगल की, उसका सम, उसका एडिशन हमेशा थर्ड साइड से बड़ा आएगा, तभी वो ट्राइंगल है. अगर हमारा छोटा आया या इक्वल आया तब हमारा ट्राइंगल पॉसिबल नहीं है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर ये हमारी साइड है 6 सेंटीमीटर, दिस इज 2 सेंटीमीटर एंड दिस इज 4 सेंटीमीटर, तो हम सम ऑफ टू साइड्स करें. 6 plus 2 8 and it is greater than the third side.
Yes.
अगर मैं अब ये लूं 4 plus 2 कितना है 6 which is equals to 6. The third side is 6. So ये नहीं है, greater तो नहीं है ना, so the triangle cannot be possible. In this case the triangle cannot be possible. Clear है?
Yes.
So the sum of two sides should be always be greater than the third side.
Triangles are three types based on their sides. Look at these three triangles. What can you say about them? They are completely different from each other. But what if we focus into them individually? Let us try this. Look at the first triangle. What can you say about this triangle? Yes, all the sides of the triangle are equal. The triangle looks the same from every angle. Such triangles are called equilateral triangles. Thus, triangles having all the angles equal and each angle is equal to 60 degrees are known as equilateral triangles.
Okay, just now we studied triangle on the basis of side. So सबसे पहले हमने कौन सा पढ़ा? Equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, each angle is of 60 degree. हर एक एंगल कितने डिग्री का होता है? 60 degree. And all the sides are equal to each other. दो प्रॉपर्टीज याद रखनी है. That each angle is of 60 degree and all the sides are equal. From the equilateral word मुझे पता चल रहा है equi मतलब सारी sides क्या होगी? Equal. Equilateral already contains word equal. So it means the all sides will be equal to each other. Now next triangle we are going to study is
Look at the second triangle. Here we see that two sides have the same measurement, while the third one has a different measurement. Such triangles are known as isosceles triangles. Thus, triangles having two sides of equal length are known as isosceles triangles. Here is the third triangle.
Okay, next we have studied about isosceles triangle. From the video, what you know about the isosceles triangle? क्या पता चला अभी देखकर? Yes, Anushka.
Ma'am, isosceles have three sides, but two sides are equal and one side are different.
One side is different. In isosceles triangle, there are two equal sides, and one is not equal to the other two sides. So, in isosceles triangle, there are two equal sides, and in equilateral, all sides are equal. Now, the third one triangle on the basis of sides.
We can see that none of its sides is equal to the other. Such triangles are called scaly triangles.
अब जब हमारी कोई भी साइड एक दूसरे की इक्वल है तो क्या बोलते हैं?
Scaly triangles are known as scaly triangles. Now, we know that equilateral, isosceles, and scalene are the three types of triangles based on the length of the sides. Let us now proceed to learn about few more properties of equilateral and isosceles triangles. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle has all its sides equal.
कर चुके हैं? All the sides are
Each
equal.
angle of the triangle is 60 degrees.
Each angle is 60
It
degree.
is also known as regular triangle.
अब इसको other name is regular triangle.
Isosceles triangle. Any two sides of the isosceles triangle are equal in length.
Two sides कोई भी equal होगी length
The
में.
unequal side is known as the base.
और जो unequal side होगी
The base
वो क्या बोलेंगे हम?
angle.
Base. और जो base angle होते हैं वो एक दूसरे से क्या होते हैं? Equal. थर्ड एंगल थर्ड ट्रायंगल के बारे में हमने कौन सा पढ़ा है? ट्रायंगल. इसके अंदर हमारी कोई भी साइड एक दूसरे की क्या होती है? इक्वल नहीं होती. अब हमारे को इक्विलेटरल और आइसोसेलेस के बारे में डिफरेंस पता चल गया है. तो अब मुझे कौन बताएगा ये डिफरेंस? Who is going to tell me the difference between isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle? Difference between isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle.
In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and one side is different. The different side we called as base. And in equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal and the angles are of measure of 60 degree.
Very good. So in equilateral triangle, all angles are of 60 degree, and in isosceles triangle, we have two equal sides. I hope this is clear.
Yes.
Observe this triangle.
Now we bifurcate on the basis of.
None of the angles are equal. But there is something unique in this triangle. Let's try to find out. All the three angles in the triangle are less than 90 degrees. This means all the angles are acute. Such triangles are known as acute angled triangles. Thus, triangles having all its angles less than 90 degrees is known as an acute angled triangle.
Okay, जब हमारे सारे एंगल 90 डिग्री से कम होते हैं एक ट्रायंगल में, that triangle is known as acute angle. उसको acute angle triangle, क्योंकि सारे एंगल्स क्या होते हैं? Less than 90 डिग्री.
Here, one angle of the triangle is more than 90 degrees.
One angle is more than 90
An
degree.
obtuse angle. Such triangles are known as obtuse angled triangles. Thus, triangles having one angle more than 90 degrees and other two as acute angles are known as obtuse angled triangles. In the given figure, You can see that angle Q measures exact.
Okay. What is obtuse angle triangle? क्या होता है obtuse angle triangle? जिसमें एक एंगल 90 डिग्री से बड़ा होता है और बाकी दो एंगल एक्यूट एंगल होते हैं. That triangle is known as obtuse angle triangle. Now the third angle is right angle triangle. जिसमें एक एंगल हमारे किसके इक्वल होता है 90 डिग्री. So that triangle is known as right angle triangle. ठीक है? Clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
90 degrees. That means it is a right angled triangle. Thus, triangles having one fifth angle measuring 90 degrees are known as right angled triangles. Thus, we know that on basis of angles, triangles are of three types. Acute angled
Acute
triangle,
angle triangle.
obtuse
Right angle triangle. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Here is a quick review of what we have learned.
So as explained, difference between on the basis of length and on the basis of angle. On the basis of length कितने types of triangle होते हैं? Equilateral, isosceles, and elliptic triangle. And on the basis of angle, easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next move to the next.
What are equilateral and isosceles
So we have
triangles?
done with the equilateral and isosceles, I guess.
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
move to median and altitude. So what is median in a triangle? Let's study with the help of the video and then I'll explain it.
Sahil and his friends are trying to balance rectangular shaped cardboards on the tips of their fingers. Only Sahil manages to balance the rectangular cardboard on the tip of his finger. How did he do it? Well, Sahil found the point on the rectangular cardboard which acts as its center of gravity. This center of gravity helped him to balance the cardboard on his fingertip. In a rectangle, the center of gravity is located at the intersection of the two diagonals. That was a clever idea. But would Sahil be able to balance a triangular shaped cardboard? Let's see what he has to say.
Okay, they are saying that we will be able to balance a rectangular page when we get the center of it. तभी हम ये बैलेंस कर पाएंगे जब हमें इसका बीच का सेंटर मिलेगा. अदरवाइज वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू बैलेंस इट. बट व्हाट अबाउट ट्रायंगल? हमने रेक्टेंगल के लिए तो देख लिया जहाँ पे दो डायगोनल मीट होगी, दैट विल बी द सेंटर एंड दैट विल बी वी विल बी एबल टू होल्ड इट. बट व्हाट अबाउट ट्रायंगल? ट्रायंगल का सेंटर कैसे मिलेगा? व्हेन लेट अस स्टडी in the video. Class, let's complete this
Balancing
topic.
a triangular piece of cardboard. Yes, I can do that. But I will need to find the center of gravity of the triangle. For that, I will use the medians of a triangle.
वो किसके help से
Let
मिलेगा?
me show you.
Median of the triangles.
This is triangle ABC. Point A is a vertex of triangle ABC. The line segment BC lies opposite vertex A. D is the midpoint of side BC. This means that segment BD is equal to segment CD. Let's connect the points A and D using a line segment. This line segment, which connects the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of its opposite side, is called a median. Notice how the median divides the triangle into
midpoint means if this is 10 centimeter, this is 5, this is 5. This is the midpoint, let us name it as D. And when we join a vertex with that midpoint, we get the median. So basically, median divides the triangle into two halves in such a way that it will overlap it. अगर मैं इसको overlap करूँ तो एक दूसरे के ऊपर overlap हो जाएगा. That is the median of a triangle. So in a triangle there are how many medians? 3 medians. Why there are 3 medians? Because there are 3 vertices. First, second, and this is third. And where they will meet is known as centroid. And this is the center of gravity. Complete this video.
Having the same area. Every triangle has 3 medians. In triangle ABC, you have already seen median AD. The second median is line segment CE. Line segment CS is the third median. So, as you can see, line segments AD, DE and CF are the 3 medians of triangle ABC. Notice that all 3 medians fall within the triangle and intersect each other at a single point. This point of intersection is the center of gravity of the triangle.
So as I already
It is
told,
also known as the centroid.
centroid.
The centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. The longer segment is towards the vertex and the shorter segment is towards the base. Now that I have found the center of gravity of the triangle, I can easily balance it on the tip of my finger. Look, simple, isn't it?
So he got the center of
gravity of a triangle by drawing its 3 medians. I'll see you later. Bye.
Okay, whenever you want to balance the triangle, draw the median and take the centroid and put your finger on it. You will also be able to balance the triangle. Clear to all?
Yes.